Well, we are back now with Bradley Harris from West Virginia American Water. Bradley, it's great to have you, and I know we're going to be demonstrating for our viewers a new tool that the company has been able to provide, and I think this is really great because I've always said when it comes to a water main break and getting an alert, I feel like I wait for that phone call to come to my phone, but now we can go to this tool.
That's right.
And we can get real-time updates.
Real-time updates. And, you know, before we jump in, I do want to show the map, but, you know, everything we do at West Virginia American Water, you know, we keep our customers at the center of that. So whether it's programming or a new idea that we have to innovate something or technology, we keep that same customer-obsessed focus. And so that's kind of the birth of this map. But before we jump into that, I know I was with you a couple months ago and we talked about our customer assistance program.
Right.
Since then, we have added a couple additional programs for customers who, you know, may have fallen on hard times or have financial issues.
What are some of those?
So we're going to walk through those right now on our website, westvirginiaamwater.com.
Okay.
So here under our customer service and billing section, if you click on customer assistance programs, and as I mentioned, we've promoted several. We're partnered with Dollar Energy and some of our external partners.
Yeah.
The two that I really want to highlight that we are partnered with, the West Virginia Department of Health and Human Resources, is the LIWAP program. So it's the Low Income Household Water Assistance Program. That is a program that is completely administered through the American Rescue Plan dollars, and that helps provide support, grant assistance for water and wastewater bills, several different situations that you can obtain some assistance on that. So those are all with the DHHR. So if you just click this link, it'll take you out, go to the local DHHR office and they'll walk you through. So there's one program. Other programs that we're promoting through our partnership with Dollar Energy, which is our agency that we work with for the community-based organizations to obtain help. Mountaineer Rental Assistance Program has been around, I think, since we last talked. The new one is the Homeowners Rescue Plan, and that is for homeowners to avoid the delinquency, default, foreclosure of their utilities or their home services. So that is administered through Dollar Energy. So all the information is here. I won't go too in the weeds with that, but I did want to promote that because there's so much different, you know, avenues of resources available. And this one, actually, the LIWAP program, the water assistance, it does have a deadline of September 30th. So that funding will go away. So if you are in a situation, any customer that needs some support on a water or wastewater bill, I advise you act quick, as that funding will be going away at the end of September.
Well, and we know with the pandemic, I mean, it was a lot of uncertainty. I think a lot of people had fallen on hard times, and we're trying to save where they could, and even with prices going up in a lot of different areas of our life right now, I think we're still looking for that. So maybe if you are needing a little assistance paying that bill, you don't want the water shut off, they're here to help. And another way that you've done that is with that new alert map.
Exactly. And
so let's walk through that too.
I'm going to try to do it as good as Tim Neer did that. He did it. No pressure. No pressure, Tim. It's like, wow, he knocked it out of the park. But no, so on our website here, you very simply click over to our alerts. Right there? Okay. Click the alert section. If you view all of the alerts and you come down here, we have the new customer advisory map, and as we mentioned, it's an interactive map that allows you just simply click in, and once you're here, you can go two ways. You can punch your service address here, so your specific address at your home or your apartment or your business, and if not, you can just simply come here to West Virginia. And anywhere that we have an outage, whether it's planned or uninterrupted, you know, something maybe like a main break, that area will be highlighted. Okay. And when you click it, so for example, this is an area in Dunbar up in Kanawha County. When you click it, it'll tell you what's happening. So this, for example, this alert has expired, but there was a boil water advisory for this area. It affected 230 customers, and it names the streets. You can obtain all the additional information here when you click there. And this is actually what you talked about, Taylor. This is what you receive via email, a link to this, or the phone call, and you can play this message. But when you come back here, it'll give you all the information you need. Now, something that's really neat about this map that I like, if you do have a low pressure or a service interruption, you don't have water at your house, you can come here and click your home address, and I don't have the keyboard up, but just punch in your home address, and if it shows you an area, for example, there's no information available, it'll pull up your specific address, and you can actually report the issue. And that just streamlines the process for us so that, you know...
It's like a direct alert.
Correct. So as soon as you punch in, report, that alert, it comes in, and we immediately will get someone on it on the back end to create a service order and to go out and check out the situation. And it may be something, it may be nothing, but we always would like to know so we can investigate it and take a look and see what's going on.
Now, can customers still sign up for those notifications on here to be alerted directly if something were going on in their neighborhood?
Correct. All alerts, you can receive text, phone call, email. Those are preferences that are in your My Water account.
Okay.
So I'll quickly go back here just while we're on it. I love this website. I think it's really user-friendly and great for customers. So in here, when you log into your My Water account, which is our customer portal, if you don't have a My Water account, please create one.
Okay.
Please convert to paperless billing. We always plug that. It just makes life easier. It saves time, hassle. And when you go in here, you have a preference on your communication. So you can receive email, phone call, text alert, and so all those notifications can be updated in, My Water any time of the day or night. And so this website, really, if you have a few minutes as a customer, if you could just, there's so much information we have, and from the customer assistance programs to now the new customer advisory map, it's so innovative. As soon as the order is closed, it's updated in real time, and so our teams can go out and say, here's the update, here's what's going on for customers in this area. So take some time, spend some time out there, and it's just a great way to kind of increase that communication to our customers with real live updates.
Well, and how nice that everything is now streamlined for us, and we can just head to WestVirginiaAmericanWater.com, sign up for all of that, and again, be notified if something is going on in your neighborhood. If you've got an outage and maybe you're not going to have water for a little bit, that is very nice. It's it's always nice when you can be alerted immediately and hey, look, might be a little bit of an inconvenience, but hopefully eventually things are going to be fixed up. And like you said, you can be alerted directly too. So Bradley, thank you for walking us through this. We appreciate it. Thanks for coming in.
I don't know what I might have something new in a couple months. I'm sure I will. We're always looking for new ways to innovate and to provide new tools for our customers.
Well, great. We'll have you back.
I hope to have something new for you in a couple months.
Wonderful. Well, Bradley, always a pleasure. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Taylor.